Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to another exciting video from Samui Island, and today we're gonna visit the Penis Rock and we're also gonna fly a drone around the coast here. Let's get into the vlog. And here we got up to this viewpoint on top of this rock where you have a nice view of the Lamai beach. The problem is this viewpoint is quite small, and if there are many people you don't have a place to take photos around. Fortunately there are just two other people here, so we waited for them to go and then we took photos and even flown a drone after that. So having a drone while you travel is a really great experience because you can see the landscape from different point of view. Especially great when you're on some coastline or top of the mountain where you have a lot of place to fly a drone. So after we finished flying the drone, I was actually swimming around these rocks here, and I noticed there was nobody else swimming there because people have such a fear of swimming in the deep sea. It mostly comes from the fear of sharks or some other creatures that could be in the sea. But you don't have to worry about sharks, as Thai people kill them all for food. The only thing you have to worry about is jellyfish. Alright, and after we are done with flying the drone and a little swim, we are enjoying this beautiful sunset with the Penis Rock in the background. And if you go down behind the rock, there is also this rock bar where you can enjoy a drink with this amazing reggae music. It was really peaceful atmosphere as the sun was setting down. Alright, and here we are the next day on a silver beach, which is located between Lamai and Chawang beach. It's supposed to be a nice hidden gem, so we're gonna try to do some snorkeling today. Unfortunately, the waves were too big for swimming and we couldn't see anything underwater, so we just decided to return back to the beach and enjoy the evening atmosphere. And at the end of the day, we got lucky with finding out some amazing vegan options like these vegan tacos and vegan burgers at these restaurants just by the beach. Stay tuned for more amazing adventures from Koh Samui Island. And as always, stay healthy
and stay adventurous.